Every business journey reaches a point where expansion becomes necessary. Caught between offense and defense, the biggest dilemma often revolves around your team's capabilities. Can they handle the increasing demands of a growing business? This uncertainty leaves many business owners grappling with a crucial decision: do they move forward or cling to their current achievements? Staying the course seems secure, but in a rapidly evolving era, it could expose your company to unforeseen challenges. As your peers embrace progress, can you afford to watch your business get left behind? This is where WISEWAY Business Consulting steps in. Your strategic management advisors. We help businesses navigate this critical juncture, restructuring teams, building systems, and establishing frameworks that foster gradual growth. We ensure your business thrives, evolving and sustaining itself. Our comprehensive services include administrative support and enhancement, sales and marketing consultation, quality management systems, QMS, and digital commerce and online business development. Reach out to WISEWAY Business Consulting today. Let our professional team conduct an initial analysis and provide you with a detailed report. We're not just advisors, we're your partners in progress. WISEWAY Business Consulting, charting your course for a more successful future. Contact us now.